Hello my dear traders, very welcome to Utum's Trading Academy, and today also we are going to have another session with binary options. Let's go for our today day trade, guys. Let's go. Okay my dear traders, today also in my live account I have in the beginning of this my live account $2,500, and first investment is going to be $500, and I'm going to choose AUDC AD currency pair, and let's go for today day trade, guys. By the way, I'm going to push up $500 first investment, guys, because I'm seeing the trend here, guys. This is a really beautiful trend, guys. So trend is like climbing up. So by the way, yeah, we can negotiate with this market. Green candle, so it means, guys, we have very strong buying opportunity. So by the way, let's wait and see, be patient, guys. So by the way, I need to remind you that to follow my Telegram channel, guys, because there it's available lot of an ocean of informations about day trading and live updates. And guys, look at this. I'm gonna show you my first profit, guys. $910, and the clean profit is $410, guys. Let's push down, guys. Wait, let's push down. According to my analyze, guys, the market behavior, it's like I found a kind of, guys, more than 95-90 accuracy. It should be pushing down right now. About my Telegram channel, guys, follow my Telegram channel and improve your trading knowledge, guys. If you're a beginner, it will be really helpful for your day trading, guys. By the way, guys, second investment profit, guys, another 910, 410 clean profit, guys. And let's push down. Follow the trend, guys. Oh no, what's going on? I think wait, let me think about it, guys. Yep. Okay, about my and also, guys, if you're a beginner, before watching this video, guys, watch my previous videos to improve your knowledge, guys. There it's available, and I'm explaining everything about the market strategies, candlestick patterns, and moving average, RSI indicator, and everything, guys, about the resistive zone, supportive zone, and everything, guys. Look at this, guys. Candle is going down. It means, guys, I'm gonna make this money right now. Another $925, and the clean profit 425. And let's push down. Follow the trend, guys. Trend is our friend as always, guys. If you are following trend, guys, with the more than 95 accuracy, guys, you are not losing your money, guys. You are always making profit, guys. That's why I'm highly recommending you to follow the trend, guys. Use my tactics, use my analysis, make your own analysis for the market behavior, market strategy, and then, guys, follow the trend and do your investments, and then make your profits, guys. If you want some free advices, then follow my Telegram channel. There it's available. You are making profit every day, guys. Look at this, another $940 profit, and, guys, clean profit is 440. So by the way, let's shift into another one currency pair, guys. Let's choose. By the way, it's not good one. Not good one, not good. Also not good one. By the way, here it's no. Here, look at this, the trend, guys. Follow the trend, and let's push up. So, guys, it's, guys, the candlestick pattern, it's like the green candle is growing up right now. The trend is really clean trend, guys. And look at this, guys, it's growing up, guys. It means, guys, I can make this profit really easy, guys. So by the way, I think for today, guys, it's enough, really enough for me for today. By the way, I will I'm going to stop after this profit, guys. I'm going to stop trading after this profit, and, guys, let's make our profit. And by the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video, guys. Don't forget about it right now, guys. Go and subscribe and hit the like button and follow my VIP Telegram channel. All the links below in the description. Guys, look at these guys, $935 profit, and in my live account at the end of the day, guys, $4,620 profit, guys. It's a really good one, guys, and I have made more than $2,000 profit for today day trade, guys. So far so good, guys. Today I have made $2,000 profit and it's really profitable day for me today, guys. And let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Utham's Trading Academy. See you and goodbye, guys.